let's take a look at the Autodesk ForceEffect family. In the previous videos in this series, we showed you why ForceEffect Motion is your natural choice to easily simulate the motion of mechanisms. You discovered some cool features and you toured the user interface. In this video, you will learn how you can extend the power and capabilities of ForceEffect Motion. First, you'll need to download ForceEffect to your device. You can find ForceEffect on the iTunes Store if you don't have it installed already. ForceEffect and ForceEffect Motion work together to enable a more powerful simulation experience. Let's open a sample diagram from the gallery to explore some new workflows enabled by combining ForceEffect and ForceEffect Motion. Tap the play arrow adjacent to the piston to play its animation. Pause the motion animation during the playback. Select the Open in ForceEffect button to export the diagram directly to ForceEffect, where you can conduct a static force analysis to simulate the reactions. So with ForceEffect Motion, you can analyze the behavior of your mechanisms in many ways. In this example, you can view the positional data for each point with the trace path on the canvas. You can display the canvas graph by clicking the icon in the lower right-hand corner. If the graph pane is open while playing, a progress line indicates the current step in the animation sequence. Pause the animation to drill down into the data. Drag the inspection line across the graph to see rotation, displacement, velocity, and acceleration data for any point in time in the graph. You can also resize, hide, or unhide the graph by selecting the graph icon. Notice the additional options at the top of the window. You can add a new diagram, undo, redo, and zoom to fit the window. You can also create an HTML report for selected trace points. You can include video, images, and tables with rotation, displacement, velocity, and acceleration data. So now, let's print or share the report. You can use the options in the upper left-hand corner. ForceEffect Motion automatically saves your diagrams to the gallery while you work. You can mail your kinematic diagram as a ForceEffect Motion source file. Your recipient can then open and modify the diagram inside of ForceEffect Motion. You can also send a DXF copy of the diagram. It's easy to send your diagrams to your account in Autodesk 360, as well as download them back to your device. Once you tap Load from Autodesk 360, you're presented with a preview of the available diagrams. Tap the desired diagram to download it. A duplicate diagram is now saved. You can then create an iteration based on that copy. You can also delete your diagrams. In this video, you learned how to extend the power of ForceEffect Motion using it in conjunction with ForceEffect. You also discovered some cool commands for viewing and sharing your diagrams, as well as the data they contain. Autodesk ForceEffect Motion makes design fun and creative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.